Here I have OnePlus 8T, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I already have English. Then you tap Start. Next you have to agree with terms and conditions here. Next you have to connect your SIM card if you have one, but if you don't have one, you can just skip this step for now and do it later. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, or you don't have any Wi-Fi network around you at all, you can just skip this step and set up your device offline. Here you have to set your date. Next you have to select if you want to use Google services here, but even if you don't want, you will be forced to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Next, co-creation labs. If you want, you can agree with this program. If you want, you can just skip it. Next you can set up your screen lock. It could be pattern, PIN or password, but you can just skip this step for now and do this in settings later. Next you have to select what font you want. Tap next. Next you have to select if you want the home, back and recent buttons, or you just have to want to use navigation gestures like in Apple devices here, and then you just tap Start. Then you have this tutorial how you use these gestures. And that's it. Setup complete. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.